Chapter 5 for Class 6 Separation of Substances. This video gives you a quick revision and short notes on this chapter. Why would we need to separate substances? First, to separate harmful substances, and secondly, to separate two different substances if we need to use one of them. For example, separate stones from rice, churning milk to obtain butter, and separate tea leaves. There are different methods to separate two different substances. First is hand picking. It is used to remove impurities or unwanted substance like stones, husks from the grain. It is used for separating large-sized impurities from wheat, rice or pulses. The next method is threshing. The process that is used to separate grain from stalks is called threshing. In this process, stalks are beaten to free the grain seeds. Machines are also used to thresh large quantities of grain. Next is winnowing. It is used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind or by blowing air. It is commonly used by farmers to separate lighter husk particles from heavier seeds of grain. The husk particles are carried away by the wind. Sieving is a process which is used when components of a mixture have different size. It is used to remove pieces of stones and husks that still remain after threshing and winnowing. Impurities mixed with water and small in size are separated by following methods. First is sedimentation, decantation, and filtration. When the heavier component in a mixture settles after water is added to it, the process is called sedimentation. After sedimentation, clear water will be obtained. When the water is removed after heavier component settles in the mixture, the process is called decantation. Oil and water from their mixture can be separated by using decantation. The process of passing a liquid through a filter is called filtration. Filtration is used to separate tea leaves from the tea through a strainer. Fruit and vegetable juices are usually filtered. The process of conversion of water into its vapor is called evaporation. Salt obtained from seawater by using this process. The process of conversion of water vapor into its liquid form is called condensation. Water cycle is the example of condensation and evaporation. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.